Spill out, spill out. Meaning, to reveal information suddenly. To reveal information suddenly. Don't spill out the details of the plan to anyone. Don't spill out the details of the plan to anyone. Let on, let on. Meaning, to reveal something, often accidentally. To reveal something, often accidentally. Please don't let on what I told you in confidence. Please don't let on what I told you in confidence. Blurt out, blurt out. Meaning, to say something suddenly without thinking. To say something suddenly without thinking. He might blurt out the secret if he gets too nervous. He might blurt out the secret if he gets too nervous. Give away, give away. Meaning, to reveal something hidden. To reveal something hidden. Try not to give away my surprise party plans. Try not to give away my surprise party plans. Leak out, leak out. Meaning, to become known, information. To become known, information. The news might leak out before the official announcement. The news might leak out before the official announcement. Cover up, cover up. Meaning, to hide the truth. To hide the truth. The company will try to cover up the real reason for the closure. The company will try to cover up the real reason for the closure. Clam up, clam up. Meaning, to stop talking suddenly, especially about something secret. To stop talking suddenly, especially about something secret. He tends to clam up whenever we ask about his past. He tends to clam up whenever we ask about his past. Keep back, keep back. Meaning, to not share information. To not share information. She will keep back certain details from the report. She will keep back certain details from the report. Hold back, hold back. Meaning, to not reveal or express something. To not reveal or express something. He will hold back the truth until the right moment. He will hold back the truth until the right moment. Bottle up, bottle up. Meaning, to hide emotions or thoughts. To hide emotions or thoughts. Don't bottle up your feelings about what happened. Don't bottle up your feelings about what happened. Keep from, keep from. Meaning, to prevent someone from knowing something. To prevent someone from knowing something. I can't keep from telling you the big news. I can't keep from telling you the big news. Swear to, swear to. Meaning, To promise secrecy. To promise secrecy. I swear to keep this matter between us. I swear to keep this matter between us. Confide in. Confide in. Meaning, to share a secret with someone you trust. To share a secret with someone you trust. You can always confide in me about your worries. You can always confide in me about your worries. Own up. Own up. Meaning, to admit the truth. To admit the truth. He will eventually own up to what he did. He will eventually own up to what he did. Cover for. Cover for. Meaning, to hide the truth for someone else. To hide the truth for someone else. I will cover for you if anyone asks where you were. I will cover for you if anyone asks where you were. Hush up. Hush up. Meaning, to keep something secret, often deliberately. To keep something secret, often deliberately. They will hush up the scandal before it spreads. They will hush up the scandal before it spreads. Keep down. Keep down. Meaning, to stop information from spreading. To stop information from spreading. We must keep down the rumours about the project. We must keep down the rumours about the project. Play down. Play down. Meaning, to make something seem less important. To make something seem less important. He will play down the problem to avoid attention. He will play down the problem to avoid attention. Make up. Make up. Meaning, to invent a false story. To invent a false story. She will make up an excuse to protect the secret. She will make up an excuse to protect the secret. Hold out on. Hold out on. Meaning, to keep something secret from someone. To keep something secret from someone. Don't hold out on me. Tell me everything you know. Don't hold out on me. Tell me everything you know. Cover over. Cover over. Meaning, to hide something under another layer. To hide something under another layer. They will cover over the mistake so nobody notices. They will cover over the mistake so nobody notices. Pass on. Pass on. Meaning, to tell someone else information. To tell someone else information. Please don't pass on what I just said. Please don't pass on what I just said. Sneak out. Sneak out. Meaning, to leave secretly. To leave secretly. He will sneak out before anyone notices. He will sneak out before anyone notices. Slip out. Slip out. meaning to exit quietly or to reveal information unintentionally. To exit quietly or to reveal information unintentionally. The truth might slip out during the conversation. The truth might slip out during the conversation. Let down. Let down. Meaning to disappoint by breaking secrecy. To disappoint by breaking secrecy. Don't let down your friend by telling her secret. Don't let down your friend by telling her secret. Dig up. Dig up. Meaning to discover hidden information. To discover hidden information. Reporters often dig up secrets about celebrities. Reporters often dig up secrets about celebrities. Ferret out. Ferret out. Meaning to discover something hidden or secret. To discover something hidden or secret. The detective will ferret out the truth eventually. The detective will ferret out the truth eventually. Sniff out. Sniff out. Meaning to detect something secret. To detect something secret. They can sniff out lies very quickly. They can sniff out lies very quickly. Track down. Track down. Meaning to find after searching. To find after searching. He will track down who leaked the documents. He will track down who leaked the documents. Root out. Root out. Meaning to find and remove something hidden. To find and remove something hidden. They want to root out the source of the rumour. They want to root out the source of the rumour. Stumble on. Stumble on. Meaning to discover by accident. To discover by accident. She might stumble on the hidden letter. She might stumble on the hidden letter. Turn up. Turn up. Meaning to appear or be found unexpectedly. To appear or be found unexpectedly. Old secrets often turn up in family stories. Old secrets often turn up in family stories. Act on. Act on. Meaning to use secret information. To use secret information. He will act on the tip he received. He will act on the tip he received. Sit on. Sit on. Meaning to delay revealing something. To delay revealing something. They will sit on the news until the right time. They will sit on the news until the right time. Keep in. Keep in. Meaning to not let something out. To not let something out. Try to keep in what you're thinking for now. Try to keep in what you're thinking for now. Dig into. Dig into. Meaning to investigate deeply. To investigate deeply. Reporters often dig into politicians' private lives. Reporters often dig into politicians' private lives. Let out. Let out. Meaning, to reveal accidentally. To reveal accidentally. Don't let out the truth during the meeting. Don't let out the truth during the meeting. Choke back. Choke back. Meaning, to stop yourself from saying something. To stop yourself from saying something. She will choke back her words to protect the secret. She will choke back her words to protect the secret. Sit through. Sit through. Meaning, to endure without revealing. To endure without revealing. He must sit through the meeting without mentioning the plan. He must sit through the meeting without mentioning the plan. Bring out. Bring out. Meaning, to reveal something hidden. To reveal something hidden. His actions will bring out the truth eventually. His actions will bring out the truth eventually.